Okay, so with my crypto mining back cave room, I've got one top there, or bench top, ready to go, or to get sanded and all that. I got another one gluing. But what color? I got the walls, as you saw in the last video, are all white. So what color have I decided to go with? Well, hopefully this isn't a surprise, but it might be for some. I've gone with a true black Minwax stain. All of this here is just pine trim. Yes, it's pricier than the cheap stuff, but I like stained wood trim. I don't care for painted trim and all that. So I'm going with black trim. This is all the sill plates for all the windows. Well, 4 of the 5 windows. I ran out of space. So I've got these drying right now, and they don't have a top coat on them yet. I just finished coating these. That's why they look shiny. They're just not dry yet. But again, I went with a Minwax True Black. And the reasoning for that is all the walls are white, but my logo is a black circle with NFO on it in white. Since the walls are white, I wanted the black trim to be able to pop off of the white walls and kind of go with a black and white scheme out there. I want the walls to be white, so if I do any kind of RGB lighting, the RGB lighting will pick the coloring, will reflect off of white walls really well. But when the lights are just on, regular white light, you'll get this black and white contrast. And I'm planning on doing the top work surfaces also in true black. More on that to come. Making progress on the bat cave. Peace. And this is the first door trimmed out with my stained black, true black stain, pine, nothing special as far as the trim goes, other than it's real wood and it's stained true black. And here you can see I've got the first 3 big windows trimmed out. What do you guys think? Would you guys do a white room with black trim? I like it so far. I think it's going to pop really nice. So now just don't look too closely. I'm not a professional, so some of my corners are off, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, what do you guys think? Oh, sorry, my kickstand on the phone was catching in the camera. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm getting very close to being able to build my desks or my workbench and start getting stuff in here. Still have to trim that window, this door, and the far window. And then I'll be able to start putting in my first bench. I have them glued, but I haven't sanded them or built any kind of legs yet for them. So that's my project this afternoon, is to start that process. I need to get some more wood. I got enough of the trim boards, but I need some sill boards for the sill plates. That's what I'm short on for that window and that window. So yeah, that's my next steps. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Peace.